You've seen the iPhone X, right? Its price is a solid reason why you might want to reconsider purchasing it. We actually never saw that price tag in the Android world, not until recently. And no, it won't be the Galaxy S9. If you wanna know why, check out the previous video. But let's go find out about the true $1,000 Android phone. And the Caterpillar S61. Let's be honest, you didn't see that coming, did you? You expected a bezel-less infinity 4K display with features like time travel, right? But seriously, what makes this phone very pricey? It's certainly not the 5.2-inch 1080p display that works with gloves and wet fingers, and not the Snapdragon 630 or the 4K video recording, or the 4500 mAh battery, or the IP68, because you can get all of that and better for much less. But this phone is rugged just like a tank. It's designed for a specific category of people, the workers, or those who are likely to break their phone's screens or backs, or even worse, destroy the whole thing. And it has things that you won't find somewhere else, like the thermal camera, which measures from -20 degrees Celsius or -4 degrees Fahrenheit up to 400 degrees Celsius or 752 degrees Fahrenheit. This can be helpful for workers so that they can analyze faulty engines and electronic equipment and that sort of things. It will also read humidity levels. And there is something called the volatile organic compound sensor, which can show you the quality of the air around you. It will analyze it every 30 seconds and give you a reading. If the environment becomes unhealthy, it will alert you. This will be useful if you work in places where there is wet paint or cleaning substances and these things. In addition to that, there is a laser system on the back to take measurements up to 10 meters. And you can combine the results with pictures from the rear-facing camera so that you sort things out and have easy reference to the results later. The phone has an aluminum reinforced frame, and it can survive falls from up to 1.8 meters onto solid concrete. But despite all these features, the phone doesn't look that ugly. As I said before, it's not for everyone. Its specs are mediocre, but it has features that could be useful or not that useful, depending on what you do. You can still buy a normal Android phone with better specs and put a case on it if you want. It's up to you. So would you buy this device? Let me know down in the comments, and please subscribe. It costs nothing, and you get to see all my future videos, and I'll see you next time.